Understanding words of affirmation, a key to better communication. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and important topic: words of affirmation. Understanding this concept can greatly improve your communication skills, relationships, and help you express appreciation and support more effectively. So, let's get started. Words of affirmation are positive words, phrases, or statements used to show and express love, appreciation, support, and encouragement to someone. They can be as simple as saying, "I believe in you," or as detailed as expressing gratitude for someone's actions. These words aim to uplift someone's spirits, boost their confidence, and reinforce their value and achievements. Words have power. They can build someone up or tear them down. Words of affirmation play a crucial role in relationships and personal development. They contribute to emotional well-being, strengthen bonds between people, and create a positive environment where individuals feel valued, supported, and loved. Recognizing and using these words can make a significant difference in someone's life. To give you a better idea, here are some examples of words of affirmation. I'm proud of you. Your hard work really paid off. You are valuable. I appreciate everything you do. You have a great heart. I trust your judgment. You make a difference. These examples can be customized and expanded based on the situation and the person you're speaking to. The key is sincerity. Your words should reflect genuine feelings and appreciation. Using words of affirmation effectively involves more than just saying nice things. It's about recognizing and appreciating the unique qualities of the person you're speaking to. Here are some tips. Be specific. Instead of general compliments, be specific about what you appreciate. Be sincere. Mean what you say. Insincerity can be easily detected and can undermine your message. Know the recipient. Understand what kinds of affirmation are most meaningful to the person you're speaking to. Regularly affirm. Make it a habit. Regular affirmations strengthen relationships and build confidence. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and impact of words of affirmation. Remember, the right words at the right time can make all the difference. So, start using them today and watch your relationships and interactions flourish. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.